Panel fits on top of the drip edge. They pop the panel in, it snaps in on one side of the rib, puts the clips on the other side of the rib, puts the screws in, sets it down. And to line them up and to help fit, they may tap them with a rubber mallet. Of course, he has his footing set by nailing a couple of 2x4s into the side. They're also using high temperature underlayment, which is sort of like a plastic material that replaces 15-pound felt and it'll last 3 or 4 times longer than 15-pound felt. Now, the metal roofing is pretty simple. Once the panels are formed, cut the size, they snap right in. He'll tap it with his mallet all the way up, put the clip in, and that's pretty much how metal roofing is installed. You can always call me, Mark, 732-995-3914, and we'll be more than happy to come over and install a metal roof for you or repair it. 732-995-3914. Thanks.